Someone fucked with some wires. I know when the cluster light goes out, there's no parking lights. Son of a bitch. I'm thinking it is the switch. Cause I play with the switch and then go back on. Son of a bitch. Ain't that some shit? I don't even know where to get out of here. Why? Don't want to get stopped. I'm gonna have to curb it. Curb it, bitch. I think it's a switch. Starting to think that. So I'll play with the light switch and then go back on. It went off like 3 times in town, 4 times in town. Ain't that some shit? Guess I'll take you through changing the light bulb on a 95 hard body. I've never seen nothing like this in my life. I've been having trouble with this freaking tail light, off and on, blinking, whatever. And I figured out the problem. Son of a bitch, how am I gonna fix this? I guess I'd go buy one now. They should have one now. I could splice. That's funny though. That is freaking funny. Look at it, right? Oh my god. That's probably why my lights, Ryan. That's probably why my lights are grounding out too. What would he have these for? What do you think? Third brake light, something? Backup light? Freaking. And look how close he spliced it to, man. Oh my god, man. Poor dog.
Where are these? You want these at?
Not the vice grips.
They suck.
Yeah. Alright, there's the part number if this happens to anybody. The only thing is I gotta take those. The thing is ground, and this thing, that piece right there, that rubber piece, doesn't fit through the bottom, so that piece right there don't fit in there, so it don't go all the way down. And you do need this ground. So I'm gonna solder the ground right there, or just leave it. It's secured right there. This metal piece rubs against it when you put it in there. So I gotta drill and see if I can make that hole bigger. That hole. See if I can make it bigger with the step drill. Be right back. So that hole's bigger now. Let me see if I can fit that through now. Hold on. Alright, there it is. I have to make it kind of oval for that thing to fit. But that's the best I could do. It can't get any worse than what I showed you guys. Well, anywho. And this don't have colors. There's no colors. I guess you just gotta trial and error. But it don't blow a fuse. Let me get it back on, see if it'll work. Jackpot. Here's what I'm using. That way I could see. I'm using that and I'm looking through the back window. And she works. And I'll do this one tomorrow. Anyways, there it is. There it is. But there's the part number if someone's dumb enough to splice wires into it. There's a messed up one. Can't be any worse than that, right? There you go. Let me get this back on. Alright, I checked everything out and everything looks good. I'm gonna save that because I know it works. Yeah, I forgot. I forgot to put this on, but you guys don't need to see that. That should do it.